This is your controller for the most current hotspot model. When you press the jet button once, it turns your jet pump number 1 on low. Press it again, it'll put the jet pump number 1 on high. Press it again, it has the jet pump number 1 on high and also the jet pump number 2 on high. Press it again, it turns the jet pump number 1 off. Press it again, it turns them all off. This button is for your lights. When you turn it on, it's the brightest. Then you can dim it down 2 times by pressing it again and again. The last time we'll turn them off. This is your temperature. To adjust the temperature, you press the minus key to go lower, press the positive key to go higher. To access your tool menu, you want to press the mode button down, plus the positive key, and this will access the T-lock, which is temperature lock. If you activate that, you press the plus. To deactivate it, you press the minus. Mode up will get you to spa lock, and just repeat that process. When you get to the light function, press the plus key, and then you can hit the minus key or plus key to control the dimming. 3 is the brightest, 1 is the least. Hit the mode up button. When you get to color, press plus or minus to change the color. You won't see it on the screen, but you'll see it inside the hot tub. Press the mode up button. Once you get to loop, this is how fast the colors will cycle. 0 will be stationary, 1 will be really slow, 2 a little faster, 3 will be the fastest. When you get to econ mode, this is economy, which will bring your hot tub to 80 degrees. If you press this on, it will not heat past 80 degrees. If you deactivate it, then it will go to the normal temperature that you set it at. When you reach filter 1, if you turn this on, you can set how long you want it to turn on manually for the first 12 hours of the day. When you get to filter 2, this will tell the jets to come on for a certain period of time for the second half of the day. Press the plus key to get into the function, and then use the minus key or plus key to adjust the amount of time you want it to run. When you get to the LCD, this is the brightness that you want your LCD screen to be. Press the plus key to select your desired level. To exit the tools menu, press the plus key. To get to the clean cycle, which will run your jets for 10 minutes and then shut off, press the mode key down button twice. Press the plus key to activate the clean cycle. Press the negative key to turn it off. If you'd like your jets and your lights to be at the maximum level all at once, press your mode button up to system mode, press the plus key to turn it on, press the minus key to turn it off.